In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 promoting affiliate links on Pinterest step by step. So this video will be super easy and quick tutorial for you guys, so you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, it's paid. As you can see, $245. It's paid. Okay, and I received this money in my PayPal account. And in this video, guys, I want to share with you my method that I use, which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy and paste my method so you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Fiverr. Then click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page, and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this page, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is really super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private, and you will answer few questions. Scroll down, and you need to choose your country, and you need to choose your language, and you need to put your Skype here. Okay, if you don't have Skype, just click on next, that's fine. Answer a few questions, and as you can see, anyone can sign up. It will take just a few minutes. Okay, then after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so next step, guys, is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page like this. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for AI developer. So you should see AI developer over here. Search for AI developer. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so you will find a lot of sellers here that are providing this service. So what you will do is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will click on your affiliate link, they will buy this service, and you will earn commission. And we know that AI tools, AI websites, anything related to AI is trending now, and a lot of people are searching for those services. Okay, so that's why I choose this AI service, AI developer. Okay, so what you need to do next, so let me see. So let's choose this one. For example, this one is level 1 seller. He has 5 star and few reviews, but we can use his service. He is level 1 seller. I will click on his service. So just click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Then click over here and put this link over here like this. Okay, and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here, and you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. You need to open a business account in Pinterest. If you are a beginner, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. Will take just a few minutes from your time to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, so let me see. So okay, so this will be your home page. See, like this. What you need to do is you need to click over here on home feed, click on create pin, okay, like this. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload your picture that describe your service. So how we can do this? Go back to this seller page, scroll down. So let me see, let's scroll down. This is his picture. As you can see, you should see, if you scroll down, you should find this about this gig. So click on his picture like this, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save. I'm gonna name it AI developer. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture that you done. Okay, this is his picture. Open, and here you go. Scroll down. You need to put title, description, but first put affiliate link here. I'm gonna put my affiliate link here and title and description. I will go back to his profile page, to the seller. I will copy his title. I'm just an affiliate. I can use his information. And I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this title over here. Description. Go back to his profile page. Scroll down. You should see over here. Okay, you can see this. Read more. This is his description. Okay. This is about, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy this part to show you. Copy, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, click on choose a board. If you are new, click on create a board and just give it a name. You can create as many as you want. I'm already created 3. I'm gonna choose this one, favorite affiliate. I'm gonna scroll down and you need to put here your tags. Okay, so go back to this seller page, scroll down, just keep scrolling down. You should see this related tag. Okay, copy this. I'm gonna copy, for example, this one. You use those tags. Okay, just use these tags, paste, go back, copy this one, Pinterest, paste, and what you need to do next, just click on publish and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. So you just need to give it a try. It's for free. You don't need to invest any money. You can start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, of course, for free. Just make sure to choose services that are trending now, like services that are related to AI. Search for AI art, AI promotion, anything, any service related to AI. Start promoting those services and you will earn commission. Okay, so that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.